Today, we'll show you step by step how to use the Kinetik Wellbeing high-capacity electronic scale. Step 1. Batteries. Insert the provided batteries, making sure to follow the correct polarity. If you want to change the unit of measurement from kilograms to stone or pounds, press the small unit button located on the underside of the scale. Step 2. Zero setting. Ensure you place the scale on a floor that is firm and flat. Each time you move the scale to a new location, you'll need to complete the zero setting process. To do this, place your foot on the center of the scale, then remove it. The display will return to 0.0 and automatically switch off. This means the scale is now ready for use. Step 3. Weigh. For the most accurate results, try to weigh yourself at the same time each day, preferably in the morning, after using the toilet, but before eating or drinking. Wear minimal to no clothing and try to wear the same amount each time. Do not wear footwear. Step onto the scale with both feet, ensuring your weight is evenly distributed. Stand still and wait for the number to stabilize. Once it stops changing, you can record your weight. After stepping off, the scale will automatically turn off within approximately 8 seconds. You can also calculate your BMI using our online BMI calculator. If the screen shows error, this indicates that the scale is over maximum capacity. When the screen shows low, this indicates that the batteries are running out of charge and need changing. You now know everything you need to start using the Kinetik Wellbeing high-capacity electronic scale. Thank you for watching.